So hello and welcome back to Engineering 101, Lecture 3-18. This is homework 3.3, which is an analog output. So the first thing you should notice is that I had to move my LEDs to analog pins. So they were moved from 12 and 13, and they are now on 7 and 8. And I am going to use graphical coding in order to program the LED to vary with brightness. So the first thing you're going to notice is that I am going to add a repeat. So the repeat is going to increment the brightness up and down so that you can see the LEDs getting dimmer and brighter. And my repeat has 10 times on it. So then the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to set the pins on the LEDs so that they vary by the brightness. Notice that analog inputs require values between 0 and 255. So if I am going to vary the brightness and repeat it by 10, I probably need to go up in increments of 25 or by multiples of 25 in order to go from completely dark to completely bright. And I'm going to do this for both of my LEDs, but I am going to do 255 minus brightness for one, and I'm going to do brightness for the other one so that as one goes down, the other one goes up. And then at the end of each iteration of the repeat, I am going to change the brightness value. So that's what I'm doing here is I am setting the brightness for each of the LEDs, and I'm doing 255 minus 1 on 1, and they are on pins 10 and 11. They have to have tildes in order to use analog right. You have to put the LEDs on analog right, and what you should see here is that as I vary the brightness and vary the repeat, the way that the lights get dim and brighter is different, but I am able to do that using graphical coding. Try this for your homework and stay STEM-tastic.